All right, guys, we are back for another site visit. The first coat of paint is on the ceiling. What I want to show you today is the bulkheads and the drop-down ceilings. So if you want to check them out, don't go anywhere. All right, guys, as you can see behind me, we have a drop-down bulkhead over the kitchen and a bulkhead to separate the two entrances. So I want to explain to you, I want to show you exactly how these work and the look they do. So let me flip the camera and let's rock and roll. All right, so the first one I want to show you is, this is the kitchen and this is the drop-down bulkhead which we had over the kitchen. Now, if you remember from a site visit or two ago, we talked about the shadow line. So that's the shadow line up in there. And then obviously we have the bulkhead which has been square set. Now, this room has quite high ceilings, so the bulkhead itself is actually going to segregate the kitchen to this open plan living and kind of, put a bit of a descriptive ceiling line exactly in line where the ceiling is, and, you can have the individual lights. Probably some lights over the island bench on this one. But you don't have to worry about the lights lining up with the rest of the room because, this is for the kitchen section on its own. Then as you can see over here, I'll just take a few steps back, as you can see, it's not actually closed off, but you can actually see that, that bulkhead gives it a good separating feature, so it gives you a clear distinction between the two rooms. So you can see just like that, the bulkhead goes across there, and it defines the two different rooms. So it separates the lounge room, living room, and the fireplace with the kitchen to the front entrance stairwell section. All right, guys, before we wrap it up, I would love for you guys to follow me over on Instagram. The handle is DanSim412, as you can see on the bottom of your screen. Head over there, a lot of Instagram posts and also little snippets of the site visit behind the scenes. All right, guys, so wrapping up today's site visits, we've got the drop-down ceilings and the bulkheads. You can see how effective they can be in big open sections with high ceilings. Great to break up two rooms and also segregate different parts of large rooms, like you see that one there breaking up the kitchen. All right, guys, if you know anyone who will find this site visit helpful, definitely tag them in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next site visit.